The Allen Valleys are special because of, I think, that long history going back to pre-Roman times, and I think the high watermark was probably the mining. The Allen Valleys Local History Group sort of emerged from the North Pennines area of natural beauty partnership. So we've been running for a year now. We've got 62 paid up members. We're trying to get as many local people interested and active as possible. So probably the most important project is conserving the archives, and we need to preserve and we want to digitise so that we can make them accessible. The Landscape Partnership was really supporting a number of projects, so we've sort of inherited those. The legacy of the Landscape Partnership is really what we're doing. It's important that we do continue that work, and that the work that has already been done before and supported by the Landscape Partnership is remembered and built on.